How do I update my GM navigation system for free? To update your GM, General Motors, navigation system for free, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the official GM website. 2. Look for the Owner or Support section. 3. Search for navigation system updates. 4. Verify if updates are available for your specific GM vehicle. 5. Check the compatibility of the updates with your navigation system. 6. Create an account on the GM website if you haven't already. 7. Access the software, maps, and updates through your account. 8. Download the update files to your computer. 9. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space. 10. Transfer the downloaded files onto a USB flash drive. 11. Insert the USB drive into your GM vehicle's USB port. 12. Turn on the ignition and follow the instructions on the navigation system screen. 13. Confirm the update installation when prompted. 14. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the update process. 15. Test the navigation system to verify the new maps and software are functioning correctly. 16. Remember that free updates may be available only for a limited time after purchasing a new vehicle. If you encounter any issues or have difficulty with the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.